So guys, in today's video, we are going to be continuing from the part one. This is the part two. So what I want to do, the stuff we're going to be doing here is completing the body of this character. Then we're going to rig the character to make it move. So to start with, I will start working on this one like so, and I'm going to work. I'm going to work on these things very fast. So if you're following along with the video, you're going to be working with us too in that space. Okay, so we have fixed the hand there, and I just want to bring it a little bit out from the body. Okay, so place it like so, and I'm going to copy this stuff here. So we have like the right arm here, and I'm going to create another one called left. Call it white, white left. Um, Copy, paste. So I will just copy this one like so, and I'll paste it in here. Okay. Then the next thing I'll do here is to the next thing I want to do here is scroll like this, come here. Alright, right, and paste it here. Right, left hand. So we have the right hand, we have the left hand. So I'll just come here, copy this here and paste it here. Bring it down here. Make it longer. I'll copy it from here, paste it here. Then I'll color the stuff here like this. Okay. For this one too. And this one. And this one too. Okay. So the next thing I want to do here is to click this, click out. I'll drag it like so. Adjust this one here. Likewise. Okay. I so after that few adjustments, which I will still adjust here. And the next thing I'll do here is to adjust this part of the body. This other part of the body too. Okay, so I just want to connect the whole these parts that we are building up here. I just want to connect them together so we don't get confused. This is the body somewhere here. And I'll just take all this stuff here and bring them down here. So this is the hand, this is the hand. So we have the left hand, we have the right hand. Bring them here. We have the left arm, and we have the right arm. I bring them down here. So I'm going to connect the the right arm to the body. Same with the left arm. Then connect the hands to the arm like so. Okay, we're not getting good results here. So first off, we need to come here. The what's it called? Animate and come to center. We want to change the position here. The right hand. This is the right hand here. This is like the joint. I'm gonna place it there at the joint. Then the second one here is the right hand again. The right arm we will pin it at the shoulder joint because that's where we want the animation, the rigging process to start from. So the next one here is the left arm, which will be pinned at the shoulder level. Then the the left hand. This is the right hand. This is the left hand. Do we have two right here? I think we made a mistake. We have two right here, but it's okay. This ought to be the. Let me check. Okay, this is the left hand. You can raise this line so I can see. So the next thing I want to do here is to join them together now and see if we get that same error again. I join it from here, same here, same here. Okay, so when I click on this other one here, I can change this to position, place it here. Then when I click this other one here, it's already place it here. So I click. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to create the waist. So come here, click here, and write and create white waist. Okay. Now I'm going to proceed here like so. And next I'm going to come here and click here. Come here and drag the waist here. I remember this stuff we're using here is open tones. Okay, so if you want to create your own animation like this, you can download the application. I have a video that will show you guys how to download the application. You can go watch that video, download the application and start using it for your animation. Okay, so the next we're going to work on here is the have the waist. I will just connect that to the body. The next one here is center. Take this one up here, the waist. Okay. So the next one I want to do here is to The next thing I'm going to do here is to work on the legs. So say right, right, lap, paste, paste. Next, I'm going to say left lap, so I'm going to say right leg. And this one, left leg. Okay, so I'm going to start with the laps first. That's the right lap. So I'm going to create it like so. Yeah. So I'm going to cut this one and paste it here. I think when I'm done with the modification of this one, I'm going to just add it up there. Okay, so I'm going to color this one like this. R. I'm going to bring this now. I'm going to copy this one. Come down here and paste. Pull it down here. Okay. So the next one I'm going to create here is the feet. Not the feet, the legs. Okay. So we already have that. I will just click on it. This is the right leg. So create it here. And the leg is supposed to be longer than the laps for the time. Okay. So apply curve to it on this section. And here little. So this leg here, we're going to create the leg that's facing front and the one that's facing back. In case we want to use any of them for any scenario, we're going to just switch instantly and use that one. Okay. So instead of creating something that you have to create two times, you can just create it once and use it again. So I'm going to make this longer a little bit like this. Not too long, something like this. Okay. So go with this, change it. So click here, copy and paste. Okay, so this is a feet I'm going to create here. I'm going to call it white right feet foot one. So I'm going to use pole line for this. Okay, so we're going to adjust this backward and this one forward. Okay, so the next one I'm going to create here is the other feet. So if we're going to be using this kind of feet for the both of them, we just copy this one and paste here. Else, we're going to just create something else for this other one. So I'll say, I think I have that one here. Paste. Change them to right, left. Okay, so what we have here, we have the so I'll just drag this one a little. Okay, you know, fill that in. Okay, so the next thing I want to do here is to create glutes for the animation and some we're going to create the guy backward. Okay, so in case you want to use the guy backward, you can use the guy from behind. And before I do that, let me create another section, another shoe here. So I'm going to call this one. Mind you that the first one here, the this is supposed to be for this name is supposed to go for left, and I'm going to use this one for, and this is supposed to be for right. Okay, this is supposed to be for left, and it's supposed to be all right. So I will just get those two there or everything here. So what do we have here? We have one foot. We have left foot. We have the right one. We have, I think it's just remaining one. We have the right laps. We have the left laps. Then we have the left leg and the right leg. Then the right one foot. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste. I'm going to link the laps together or the time together with the waist. Then the legs with the laps. Then the foot with the legs. Okay. So we're going to create different variants or different variation of these legs in case we have him. Okay, what I want you guys to see here is I'm going to just come here, click here, and write white white leg, white foot, white right foot. So I'm gonna copy this, click on it, paste it here. Change this to left, paste it here. So I'm gonna copy this one like so and paste it here. And same here. Why I close this ones. Okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do here is to paste it here, copy what we have here, and paste it here. Okay. So we can use this one or this other one here. Or we can even use them both. So I'll just come here and create another variation for it and say call it white right put 3. This is what we left. Copy, copy, paste. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this one here, the one we have here. Close this, guys. Close this one. I'm going to copy this one here. I'm going to use this one for this other section. Why I close it here. So when I paste it here like so, let me align it to. So copy this one. And I'll paste it here. Align it with this other one. So the reason why they fit are in shoe style is because I just want you to be able to change the color of the legs, so to just match like a shoe if this guy is going to be wearing clothes instead of creating a new shoe design, all of that. But we can create shoe design for this character, but I don't think it will be worth it at this time. So we just need basic stuff. Okay, and I can just close this guy here and this other guy here and open this one. So we have all of this here. So I need to open them to know what we are tracking. So I will just get them all, bring them here. Okay, can't betray. So here we have this is the tree. This two. This left foot two. This left right foot two. This right foot three. Right foot two. So I'll just place this one here. And don't make the mistake of pasting the second feet on the second foot in the first one. So you just paste it directly to the leg. Same with this other one. Paste it directly to the leg. So that one directly to the leg. Directly to the leg. This is because if we are not working with one, if I close one, we'll be able to use the other. So here we are done with creating the character. We can now apply the skeleton or the rigging skeleton phase to the character. But first, we need to work on this center section of the whole stuff. Okay. So let me try to apply the on the body. So we have problem here. You see, this part supposed to be downward, so but we're not getting that. So what I want to do is to check that again, the left side. So we have the right labs, which is supposed to be here, and the left one supposed to be here. The right leg supposed to be here. The left one supposed to be here. So that's the only place we're having issues here. So when I check again, I'm still having one more problem here. So let's find out where that problem is coming from. So I open this other part here. So this other leg here, if I come here, we need to bring this down here. Same with this one. So when I click again, we are still having one issue, and the issue is coming from the hands. Okay, it's coming from the hands. So the eyelid is down here. I need to bring the eyelid up here. IPP is still down here. I need to bring it up here. The hair is down here. Bring it up. Eyes is down here. Bring it up here. Eyebrow is down. We have the head still down there. Bring it up to the neck region. We have the mouth. This is the mouth here. The neck is supposed to be here. This is the body. This is the arm. Bring this guy down here. Okay, so when we check this again, we are still having just one stuff here. Something seems appearing down here. I can't figure it out. I think it should be coming from these guys here. Okay, so we need to work on that. Top BS is here. Lower BS is here. Okay, so we'll check again. And we are still having that same stuff there. What could be the matter? I think the nose. We have way too many stuff here. The nose. And the brown again. Okay, so I think that should be all. That will be all. Okay, we are still having that same issue again. Where is the problem coming from? Okay, I'll use my X sheet now to locate that problem. So this is the head, eyes. Mm, this is the mouth. This is the nose. Close that. Okay, we have two nose now, so one nose is still down there. Bring it up again, like so. Now I want to check again. So everything is complete now. We are not having any issues here. So if you're having that same problem, that's just how you work on it. Okay. So you come here and change this build skeleton to animate, and you have a full um stuff here to animate from. Okay. So close this. So to animate character, we'll come here. So, yeah, I think I should use animate to section. So I'll come here and I'll drag all of this. All of this. I'll drag it down. So here I'm going to be animating the eyes. So I want the eyes to move. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to come here at this point here. I'll click here, copy that keyframe. I'll take it down. This is a keyframe here. This stuff you see here, this icon you see with the key stuff, that's a keyframe. So copy that keyframe. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click animate. I'll come down here and I'll hold it from this green button you see here and I'll drag it down like so. So we ought to have this stuff, two of them. Okay, I think I'm gonna create a second one for this. Let's say white blink. No. So I will just attach this other one here. I'll just copy it, copy, paste, and rotate like so. Then here I'm gonna change this one here to invert so we can get this effect. So this is exactly what we want here, and I'm going to extend this downwards. Paste it here, keep it at that level. Then I'm going to come back here and bring it here. So we have them both. And go back to drawing, come down here. I'm going to look for the second one. Attach this to the eyes. Okay. So I'll bring that. I'll change the to this somewhere here. Rotation. Back to center. Okay. So animate. So back to animate. I'm going to copy this one like so. Then I'm going to paste it here. And when I get to this point, I'm going to animate it like this. So here, we'll copy this work, copy this one, paste it here. Now we can extend this to cause kind of slow opening and closing there, ease in and ease out. So when I play it, it will look something like this. So you see, so we can copy this stuff back like so again. Copy, paste it somewhere here. Now we want to copy everything. Copy, and paste it here. So this is what you get. Okay, guys. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how that will be the part 3. I'm going to show you guys how to create the clothes as the clothes design for the character, and how to animate the character to move, run, and all of that. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and leave a like if you learn a lot from the video, and tell me the stuff that you want me to improve on, so I can create great videos for you guys that you guys will be able to understand and apply for whatever you're doing. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.